Today we have the 2017 Hyundai Santa Fe. This vehicle was done just under 60,000 miles. It has a manual transmission and a diesel fuel type. To the left of our steering wheel we have hands-free cooling and automatic headlights, and on the right we have cruise control and automatic wipers. Moving on to our screen, we can access smartphone integration, map, information and settings. Just below we have climate control, and if we put our vehicle into reverse we can see that it comes with a parking camera with parking sensors. We also have our USB and aux port, heated seats on either side, and as we go into the back of the vehicle we can see that it has a full leather black interior.